Here's what you should know about buying a condo or a townhome. This could be a great option if you're looking for a low-maintenance living space that offers many of the benefits of home ownership. Let's see if a condo or townhome is the right move for you. Hi, I'm Amanda Ryan, your Dallas-Fort Worth Realtor with On the Move DFW Keller Williams Realty. We share weekly videos for all things Texas real estate. Here are some things to keep in mind when buying a condo or a townhome. Understand the fees. You'll typically be required to pay a monthly homeowners association fee or an HOA. These fees go towards maintaining the common areas and building amenities such as pool, gym, or landscaping. The monthly HOA fee will be higher than a home, but that's because you'll get built-in blanket insurance on the building itself. On the flip side, your insurance should be lowered since the HOA is taking on a portion themselves. Review the HOA rules and regulations. The HOA will have rules and regulations that you'll need to follow as a resident. These rules may govern anything from what color you can paint the front door to if you're allowed to have a shed in the backyard. Make sure you review these rules and regulations carefully up front. Look into the building's financing options. Not all condos and townhomes allow FHA financing. It has to do with how many units are owner-occupied versus how many are investor-owned. You can look this up ahead of time to see if the building falls within the loan type that you're using. Consider the location. Location is key. Look for a location that is convenient for your needs, shopping, and entertainment options. Don't forget to get a home inspection. Before you finalize your purchase, it's important to get a professional home inspection to identify any potential issues, just like you would on a single-family home. This can include things like water damage, mold, or pest infestation. You'll want to make sure you have a clear understanding of the property's condition before you move forward with the purchase. Finally, if the townhome or condo is new, be sure to look into the type of warranty offered. Unlike a home, a condo or townhome will cover the blanket insurance for the exterior of the home. Still, you want to make sure there's a 1-year or a 2-year warranty on the other items within the home. Overall, buying a townhome or a condo can be a great option for those that are looking for a low-maintenance living space in a desirable location. Just be sure you do all of your due diligence and carefully review all of the details before viewing and making an offer. And the good news, our team can help with this. Considering one of these options, then visit our website, onthemovewithamanda.com, and let's set up a time to chat. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.